Ok, so jeudi c'est jour avant Christmas, ok? Jour avant fête Noël, c'est 24 décembre, ok? Yo 24 décembre, moi t'as marché dans la rue Port-au-Prince. Et comme ça va chanter à dire. But anyways, jeudi 24 décembre, il fait 9h57. Je travaille hier soir, je travaille à 8h du matin. Ok, et puis je suis beaucoup là parce que je suis passé dans Walmart, je suis sorti chercher cadeau pour ti moun yo. Parce que so kounya je suis dans Walmart, je suis là kounya. But avant de là je devais montrer nous qui ça nous va faire jeudi avec ti moun yo. Ok, so nous allons faire gingerbread houses. Par contre si nous connaissons moun fait ça. But si on va décorer, il peut apparaître comme ça. Ok, on prend ça. Ok, et puis moi je prends ça. Ça c'est un cookie, Oreo cookie one. Ça c'est un cas ou faire comme ça, il peut apparaître comme ça. C'est juste un bon petit bagage fun pour faire avec Timon. Ce que Timon est fun pour faire avec Timon, ok? Timon enjoy ça. En pile, il aime ça en pile. Et puis après ça, je dis, je pour moi wrap cadeau yo pour moi mettre yo dans bag wrap yo. Mais ça même pas qu'on parler aujourd'hui, je touche pas qu'on parler. But yeah, nous qu'on ça veut dire là pour moi mettre yo dans bag ou bien pour Mario wrap the gift. OK? Cadeau Timon yo, on commencé et déjà mais on pas fini, on pas cadeau qui style de yo toujours qui besoin al papier cadeau. OK? So on fait ça. So yeah, so on fait ça aujourd'hui après on va la caille. Maintenant non Walmart parce que this part je ne sais pas c'est deux petits bagages ça me dans le prend avec ça m'acheter tout parce que ça me besoin parce que me gagné une on montrer nous hier soir me craser bagage là me gagné ça côté petit parti li gon petit parti là dedans même pas journée non ça c'est Bluetooth connector parce que machine nous gagné c'est une machine qui ont petit genre en machine 2012 lié, ok? So li pa gen Bluetooth. So le wap conduit pour m'kata de musique qui sont dans téléphone moi c'est musique dans radio nous toujours attendre so nous t'acheter ça pour nous connecter sur téléphone nous mais moi craser il était un petit bail point là qui connecté là-dedans. Hier soir par accident on craser. So m'acheter ça. So kounya moi mettre ça pour m'kata de musique là conduit pour pas bored parce que musique dans radio yo guys yo joue même musique là over and over and over and over and over again like oh my god yo joue même musique là toute la cette journée c'est même musique là si m'a conduit un petit jambe si m'a conduit un côté qui 30 minutes guys m'kata de même musique là m'pa pas nous mentir pour n'importe like 5 fois 4-5 fois dans radio c'est tellement yo joue même musique là so ça fait moi mettre des musiques dans le téléphone parce que on peut contrôler qui ça m'tendait vous comprenez et puis moi mettre des musique haïtienne compas en pile so on peut attendre des petits compas à l'aise OK so on doit essayer ouvrir son babagali mais c'est impossible so on juste craser boîte là parce que je n'ai pas de temps de gaspiller hein alors je sais oui je sais alors je sais OK oh what is this scan the QR code to upgrade your warranty from 1 year to 2 years. Oh, and it comes with warranty. Oh, period. But, anyways, okay, so, dale. But many. So, ça a connecté dans la machine là, ça a connecté dans le téléphone moyen, ok? So, on va voir si le travail. Ouais, guys. Many foot, mais bah la coller na, bon moi c'est caractère. Bagay petit point qui sont dans l'autre là les coller en dedans. Pas montrer nous. Oh my god. Coller en dedans là guys. Of course. Like littéralement en dedans, pas même moi ça même. Mais c'est moi c'est ouais ça tirer. Mais c'est tirer ma caractère. Moi là moi de un tweezer. Bagay yo kon rese plume j'ai pour moi c'est ka ralel parce que kounya baka retirer ba la coller m'bat même moi ça même non oh my gosh m'bat trop s'il te coller but anyways il était fait neige hier soir are you gonna go like today Wow, pake moun sa pake. Kade histoire? Kade de bout bese. Yo, moun sa yo funny, oui. Madame nan pake l fo pake l bagay. But, yeah, li te fait neige hier soir. So, bon, vire caméra pour faire mon traîner. So, they were on situation kind of crazy. Je ne sais pas si nous avons parce que c'est le zoom bien. Ok, man. So, je ne vois, like, à terre, je vais nettoyer ça. But, yeah, je ne vois. Moi, à terre, à terre clean. Mais le fait que fait neige là, il va être bon même. Like, si nous étions tout à terre, même conduit. L'homme qui travaille matin à 8 heures, like, on était à terre, on était un peu mal. So, mon yo était plat, yo mettait sel, pareil ça, so, c'est ça qui fait le vin anti-gens. Mais, qu'on a dit bon, mais, matin avec hier soir, on va même carrer au bout de la même. Parce que neige là, derrière. Mes amis, je vais besoin de Florida, guys. Besoin de ton côté chaud. Oh, Florida ou bien Georgia. Mes amis, neige ça en y oui, pas pour moi aussi. But yeah, je parle trop, je parle trop. Là, je vais la faire là, je parle avec nous, ok? Là, on a fait un petit bagage caillou avec Timonio, then je parle avec nous. Okay. So, Ouvè Kado yo nan papi kado, m'a mette yon papi kado konya. So, m'te fait un peu déjà. So, konya m'a fait reste yo, okay? So yeah, et ça m'a fait konya. M'pas bon na Kado même. Du tout, pas bon même. But I'm gonna try. I can see. D'apprendre un bagage matin sur TikTok. So, by the way, it's not facile. C'est facile pour moi. Oh, I left the scissors. Okay. One ciseau. On va essayer, ouais. Noir, bah bon même. Bah mais en ça non. So ma parle m'a changer. Mettez nous l'autre côté pour nous caper bien ouais. But. Okay, now. I feel comme ça.
It has glue scissors.
To make a video.
Oh, don't forget the spot. Aiden did that. Oh no!
That's okay. Good job.
Look. Oh wait.
Are you gonna put it?
All right. Then we're gonna put it. You're gonna put it here.
Good. Turn it around. Put it gently.
You have to match it to the mold. Oh. Oh, you have to make sure you line it. Hold on, sister, so it don't break, okay? You're gonna do this one, okay? Your turn. Okay. Good job. Sister's turn.
You ready, sister?
Okay. Look, here, Daddy's gonna give it to you.
Squeeze.
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 She said.
Go ahead, do your thing.
She said, give me.
Need help?
Can I?
It's okay.
Need help?
Just nothing?
Et Kayla, guys, Kayla va sortir, genre. Kayla va sortir, genre, si vous sortir, guys. Si vous n'y a mangé cigarette, yo.
Face it.
Yeah. But nous essayons, du fun. Les lerettes là, les manger cigarette là.
Today we're doing come on, come on, you guys.
Come on, yeah.
Hi, Mom.
Hi.
Today we're making potato,
Making a potato.
banana.
Banana.
Mm.
Je viens sur le travail, guys. Max retiré pied bois Christmas tree qui était là, il mettait là peut-être pile cadeau yo puis était qu'à mettre comme ça. Bien aimé j'en fais là, il paraît belle en pile. So il fait 8h18 le matin, me fait crier là quand me fait faire ce travail, je me dis non, il a dormi toujours. So on va préparer breakfast, OK? C'est yeah, on va préparer breakfast. Pour les lever pour breakfast là, tout paraître, tout prêt. Et puis yeah. So, on va changer ça pour mettre en noir parce que je voulais faire photo. On va changer. On mettre un maillot noir parce que mauve là, je ne vais pas très paraître avec le talon rouge. So, anyways, on va faire breakfast. So, on va faire breakfast avec nous. Parce que ma position essayer de faire le vide. Et puis, il y a faire breakfast. Les petits gens descendent by ça, then je vais commencer à recorder pour nous, okay? So, now we're talking. Sister, what you doing? You drawing? Oh. Guys, say hi.
Hi.
Say bonjour.
Bonjour.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Sister, say Merry Christmas.
Say Merry Christmas.
Sister, focus. Naptan daddy, so it's like for nouveau at Ouvè Kado. So naptan daddy. I'm waiting for daddy, okay? Merry Christmas. Woo, 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 woo,
Your first Christmas with sister.
Merry Christmas.
Remember?
Woo, woo. Let's do the stockings first. Here. Ready? This is for you. Sister, this is yours. Look, open inside. Took one inside. Look, sister. Wait for sister. Here, Elia. Sister, that's yours. Here, sister. I know, me too. I don't think one. I can help you, okay? Is this good this way? Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
You opening it?
Is this good?
Go ahead. Got it. Sister, open it.
Open yours,
Rip it
sister.
open.
Open it.
Rip it open.
Here, let me remove this for you.
Rip it.
Here,
Rip it.
rip it in. Yeah.
Rip it. Rip it open. What is it? What is it? What is it? Yeah, rip it, rip it, rip it. Whoa. Sister, what's that? Oh my goodness.
So cool.
Wow, sister.
Wow.
Wow, Merry
Like it?
Christmas,
Look,
sister.
can you turn it around? Look, show them.
Sister got a computer, laptop.
So cool.
She's got
What did you get? Can
what
I
is
see?
this, Aiden? Open
Oh.
it. It's a box. Let's
This
open
way.
the box. What's inside?
Whoa!
Whoa!
Sneakers.
Oh my
So
goodness!
cool.
You get to put the
Oh
shoes
my goodness.
and run around. Wow!
Huh?
Whoa!
Aiden, you have more gifts, okay?
Alea! Let's open this
Open
one.
this one. You open it. Rip it.
Open it. What is it, Aiden?
Hold it.
It's a rectangle box. Oh my goodness, sister! Baby dolls!
Wow, baby dolls.
Wow.
You wanna open it?
Open it. Let's open the box. you get
So
to sleep
cute.
comfortable. Wow. Look at
This one
one.
has, what does it have on it? What are those?
Car!
Yeah, tractors and stuff.
Take it out.
Wow!
Wow, so cool. Here you go, princess. Oh, pizza. Oh, Lord.
Oh, look at that.
Wow. Is that your dog? Yes. You give the baby milk?
Open this gift, Mom.
This one?
Yeah, open it slowly.
Thank you.
Pick them out one by one.
Okay. Look, Daddy got me a gift. Daddy got Mommy a gift.
One by. It's not the biggest, but it's a start.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? You know, I'll be watching you, loving you. So I want to make sure that you stay warm.
Yeah, I actually want a robe. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Merry Christmas, sweetheart. So you can be
It's a
warm in
robe.
the house.
Thank you.
Put it on. Put
I
it
love
on.
it.
Put it on. Put it on.
You like my robe?
I wanted to get an extra large just so you could be, you know, snuggled up.
Well,
Yeah. Daddy got me a robe.
Oh no. Oh snap. Oh snap. And it matches the pajama fit.
Oh, I'm so hungry.
look at the baby first.
So cute.
Oh,
Oh, okay. It's
Yeah.
yours, girl. Alright, let's
no, open it together.
Ready?
Ready?
Ready, sister?
Go, open it.
Open it. Open it. What's this? Santa Claus got you as a box?
Whoa.
What's inside the
Inside.
box? Sister, open.
Open.
Ready?
Huh?
3, 2.
Wait, let Daddy help. Hold on, let Daddy help. See what I can do here.
Okay, pull it, pull.
Pull it.
Pull
Pull
it
this
back.
in. Pull it. Pull it like
in.
this.
Pull it.
Yeah.
Let's open it. Wow! This is for sister.
That's for sister.
And that's for sister. And this is for sister.
Whoa,
And that's for sister. And this is for Aiden. Wow! Look at all the educational books and stuff. Look at the coloring books.
To the camera.
Wow, you got Yu-Gi-Oh! I'm watching Yu-Gi-Oh! right now,
Look,
Papa.
princess. Look. Whoa.
And look at this one.
Really?
Oh.
How they do race this?
Oh. Wow.
It's supposed to stay on there.
Yeah, you gotta draw it on
You
this.
gotta put it here. Look.
So you could draw Bluey. Oh. Yeah, we have to read
We're gonna
Bluey.
stick it, but you go like this. So you read the book. Wow. And then if you want, you can draw Bluey. To get a gift. I'm gonna give Daddy. What my Daddy gift? Daddy, that's the smallest gift. Daddy's turn to open gift. You have to return those.
Return.
Yeah, I already know because it's not gonna. Go ahead, open.
Return.
Open.
Look it.
What's inside?
What Daddy got? That's why I was like, I'm not getting you socks when you said get me socks. I won't.
Oops, I'm sorry.
Oh, Daddy's sorry, okay?
Wow. You see that?
Daddy got socks. Look,
I got socks. I got pajamas.
pajama pants.
I got opposites of what I got on right now. You know what I'm saying? We gotta rep both
Say
sets.
hi.
I mean, not set tripping, just
Right?
affiliation. And I got one with both of them on it. You know what I'm saying? I can't be set tripping. I gotta make sure I have both sides. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my B's and C's. You already know. Oh, it's heavy.
What is that?
What is
A
it?
vase?
Oh, A vase? I don't know.
What could this be? A
jar. Mommy's gonna open it.
I'm gonna open it.
Up.
Oh,
Up. Stop. It's up. Yay! Mommy wanted something to put stuff in.
thank you.
And I got her a heavy duty clear one.
Yay.
Sealed shut. Nothing, not even the Cookie Monster could get in.
No Cookie Monster can get it. Okay.
Oh my goodness, sister, what's
Sister, there's
inside?
so many things.
You have so many gifts.
Whoa, sister.
Wow. Aiden, what's that?
It's a coat.
Let's open it.
Whoa, sister.
Wow, sister, look at all the gifts you have.
It's a fishing
Right.
game.
It's a fishing game.
Rainbow. Wait a second.
You wanna open it?
Sister,
Rainbow is not crazy.
Let's open it. Come. No, come in. Let's open it first. Let's open it first. Whoa, you get to step on it with
You
your
gotta put the
feet.
batteries in it.
It should have, you know.
I turned it on, it didn't work.
Oh. Let's
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la.
Dad,
Whoa! You opened it?
look.
Whoa! This is a Hot Wheel racetrack.
Yeah. It's for Chris.
Open it then.
What's
Whoa, what is inside?
Wow, look what sister got!
More clothes, sister.
Look at that, so cute! Look, sister, so pretty! And you got jeans? Oh my goodness! Wow. Oh, it's like an advent thing.
A car.
What's the number 4?
What was that? Where did this come from? Oh, that's from here? Oh. Alright, sister, let's open this one. Ready? Because these are all cool. Oh.
So many toys inside.
Wow, look what sister got.
Wow. Look.
Wow, that's a big fancy jacket.
So cool.
That's just
Oh,
ready, set, first. Here, sister, this one. Here. Okay, we're gonna put the fishes inside. 1 fish, 2 fish, 3 fish, 4 fish, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, put some fishes. 9, put it in the hole. How many can you catch?
Whoa.
Uh-oh. Let's catch this one.
Catch
no,
a fish.
Sister, don't touch it.
Whoa. So big.
Ready?
Aiden avec Alea.
Set.
Whoa.
Rip.
Rip it, sister. Rip it. Rip it, rip it. Pull it. Yeah. Whoa. Rip it, sister. Rip. Rip it. Yeah.
It's a big town.
Whoa. It's an activity run.
Yeah.
So cool.
And you play with sister. Look at the houses and the people and the police cars and the fire truck. Look at the
Open his
bus.
gift. His gift.
Aiden, look. This
Daddy.
is my gift. I'm gonna open it.
Daddy's gonna open his gift.
Are you gonna look?
Look.
Ready?
Let's see what
Sister.
Daddy got.
Sister. Sister.
Sister's lost in the sauce.
All right. I'm ready.
Sister, it's gonna break. Don't do that.
3,
Daddy's gonna open his gift.
1. What is it?
What is it? I can't even think. Your hair look crazy. Your hair look crazy, man. I told you to put a hat on. Daddy's so excited. Daddy's so happy. Daddy's about to cry now. Oh, Daddy's crying. Give me Daddy a hug.
He's not crying. Mom, I don't want this anymore. I'll take this little break.
You want to take it off?
Dad, I don't want to.
You like it?
Let's open another one.
What? Stop. What do you mean? You like your gift? Ouvè? Deve ser Z, baby, vai conseguir achar PS5 fully. PS5, baby, you deserve it.
Oh, sugar honey iced tea. That's what happened when you put the D down. When you put it
Can
down,
you not?
and you put it down, and you put it down, and you put her head down, and you put her back down.
Stop.
Oh. What do you think you got?
Shoes.
Shoes?
Yeah.
Why?
Oh yeah, it's shoes.
It's a box.
Yeah.
All these are boxes.
I know, but the way it opens right here.
Yeah, it's definitely shoes. Sure. What do you think it is? What kind of shoe it is if you think it's shoes?
Sneakers. Nike.
What kind of Nike sneaker?
I don't know.
Alright, if you think it's shoes, go ahead, open it. You know the vibes. Let's open it and see what kind it is. Oh my goodness. Say goodbye to the brown and dirt.
I'm gonna still wear them to work, so these will be the nice ones.
Yay!
Yay, guys!
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm so happy. I love it.
That's also mommy's.
There you
Open.
go.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome, princess. And this is for mommy and her heart.
In my heart.
Yeah, all
What
of your
is that?
heart. What is
Who's
it?
helping me?
I want my gift.
It's yes. the
This was on my
picture
Christmas
frame. A lot of things was on your list.
Yay! Thank you. Oh, I'm so
welcome.
happy. I can put them on the wall now.
Yes, for you and your family to look
Yes.
pretty on the wall.
Oh my god. Started to now this model that I want to play, guys. Yay! I'm so excited. Thank you.
You're welcome,
I love my
princess.
gifts. Mais, lui va me mettre ça en tête. Mettez-la en tête.
Okay.
Okay, c'est à vous. So don't look yet.
Okay. I don't want to open this gift because you're the only gift that needs to be opened.
Don't look yet. Kind of open. Turn it over this way. Okay, now you can look.
You don't bring it to the door.
It goes with this. The stuff you need for it.
Thank you.
I lied. We needed to open this one. We needed to open this one. This one right here.
Look, Daddy's so excited. Aiden.
Oh my goodness! I'm never leaving. I'm never leaving. Oh, yeah.
Wow! Look
All right.
at that. Look at creepy car.
Now, Aiden is gonna love this one. Look what mommy got you. Ready? Look.
The planet.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the planet.
So cool.
Whoa. And look at sister go.
Oh, be careful.
What's that, Aiden?
That's it. Look
Wow.
at baby got.
Whoa. Pakai muka pulang orang apa sih? Daddy loves his gift. Oh. Daddy loves his gift. Alright, now.
You like your gift. This is love.
Alright, here, record Aiden. Aiden. Now, mommy and daddy has another gift for you, okay? Last gift. Okay?
All right, Aiden.
Then.
Go.
Okay, you can't eat it. Alright, Aiden. Last gift.
You see all the stickers, sister?
Okay.
See all the princess stickers?
Last gift. Are you
All right,
ready?
Aiden.
Here you go. That's for
This
Aiden.
one, Santa Claus bought you this one.
What?
This one specifically, Santa Claus told us to give it to you. Oh my goodness. What it is?
A tornado.
It's a tornado! It's a tornado hurricane! Spinner, spinning.
Look at the tornado right there.
Yes, I see it. Oh my god.
Look. Whoa. The
Yeah.
jellyfishes and the volcano.
Whoa.
What are those?
Guys, got it. Been mess. Après, nous finissons Ouvè Kado. Okay. It's a mess. Whoa, it's magnet?
Hey, you wasn't supposed to do it like that.
How was I supposed to do it?
You were supposed to...
I'm not shaking it.